If you want to build a long-term profitable business, there is one thing in marketing that comes first, more important than anything else. Guess what it is? Your email list. Your email list is your number one business asset, people. And building your business, to be dependent on a specific social media platform is really not smart. Building an email list of people who want to hear from you and are truly engaged with your content should be your first priority as a digital entrepreneur. Second, email marketing provides the best conversion rate. Here is some data. Only 3 years ago, for every single dollar spent on email marketing, there was a return of $38 to $40 for businesses. How awesome is that? That's for every dollar that you spend, developing your email marketing, you can expect between $38 and $40 return on that dollar. Also, 82% of Americans check their emails every single day, and 66 of them have made a purchase based on an email they received this month. People are at least 3 times more likely to make a purchase via an email prompt versus a social media prompt, and the average order value is 70% higher. These are not numbers to neglect, but there is more. Customers who buy from us via email are likely to spend 138% more than those people who are introduced to us just, via social media, for example. It's the most cost-effective economic marketing channel. Email marketing is also the cheapest tool to get in touch with your prospective customers and leads. And it allows automation, which is a key thing for any scalable business. And when it's used correctly and thoughtfully, it actually builds trust and loyalty that allows your business to grow beyond your expectations. It is still king also, including with the millennials. Yes, that's for sure. I share about this and more of my research in my digital marketing cheat sheet. In just one infographic, you get some key facts about all the main channels: email marketing, content marketing, influencer marketing, social media marketing, paid advertising, the pros and cons for each, advantages and disadvantages for 8 of the main social media channels, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Reddit, and so on. So go